Τι είναι, βρε. A friend of me found this dog and he kept him here for me to come to take him. The dog is in a very, very bad condition. Very bad condition. He's in a very bad condition. In a terrible condition. I think that he has so many ticks, fleas. He's in a terrible condition. Look at this. His hair is missing. He is in a terrible condition. And he's about 8 years old. I think he was locked oh poor doggy. He was locked in a chain all his life because his nails are long. He's in a terrible condition. And he's white. He must be sick, so we have to take him to the vet immediately. He's white. He must have ehrlichiosis and leishmaniasis. Hey, poor dog. Poor dog. Can you bring me the leash from the back seat of the car, please? Το σκυλί είναι άρρωστο. Αυτό έχει λεϊσμανία, εhrlichiosis. Ναι. Και πάλι καλά, ο φίλος μου που το μάζεψε. Πάλι καλά. Θα ψοφούσε. Ναι. Όλα τα καλά παιδιά τα έχεις πάει γύρω-γύρω. Ωραία, ωραία. Ωραία. So can you put it there? Yeah, put it inside. Wait a second, please. We have to open this. Okay. Hello. Come, let's go. Let's go. Come, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come, το καημένο. Terrible condition. In terrible condition. Just a second. Poor dog. Can you hold him, please? I want to see that. They put a liquid on his back and they burned his skin. Το έχουν βάλει στην πλάτη φάρμακο για τα τσιπούρια και το κάψανε το δέρμα. Okay, let's go. Let's go in the car. Πάμε. Come. He's waiting for me. Έλα. Πού είσαι? Έλα. Το καημένο. Θα το κάνω εγώ. Θα κάνω ό,τι μπορώ. Πάμε. Το καημένο. I don't know if it's a girl or a boy. Wait a second, please. It's a boy. It's a boy. Let's go to the vet. Poor dog. Let's go. You will have a better life now. You will have a better life. He's looking around, see what is going on, where we go. We go to the vet, and after we go to the shelter, and we will take care of you. We'll give you medicine, lots of food, water, everything. Poor dog. Let's go.